tight fit there. Alright, what's up guys? We're down here in Rancho Cordova. Dad's looking at a new little tractor. It's kind of neat, this little tractor. I'll go look at it and then I'll tell you a story about this little machine. Alright, here's the new Joker. Guy said it was an 85 model. Yeah, I don't see nothing up there about it, but it's a little trencher. And what makes this thing cool is a little rubber track. It's got a decent 4-way push blade on it. And right over there is my grandpa's old trencher. Pretty much the same exact rig, except for we couldn't find tracks for that. Made a deal with a fella and we got the little trailer too, so that might be neat for running side by around, because all the trailers I got are either too big or way too small for the side by to fit on, so that was a perk. But about to unload this thing and test her out and see how she plays. Alright, so this Joker was supposed to have been completely gone through by the guy we bought it from. He's an old timer, and apparently his retired dad, another old timer, wanted something to do, so he went through this rig. But so far, I don't know if you can see that, this whole front part cracked completely off. Over on the other side, there's a crack there, and something's moving now. And the track tensioner locked up on this side, won't go in farther. That one over there is completely stuck all the way in. And so I'm gonna weld this part right now, get it done. Alright, so you can see what I just welded right there. Messed up the nice paint job, but then down here that crack was starting to go. It was breaking the weld. But that one is completely broken off, so that absolutely had to be done right there. And then we spotted another one when we lifted this. That piece is cracked. Oh. I mean, we did talk him down better than $1,000, and then a little bit more. So a little work, extra, I don't know. But, well, we'll keep plugging away at it. Well, as well as that spot, caught the damn track on fire. This little crap here in the center, got a little burr on it, a little slag. The thing's cracking down the back, so I don't have to hit it some more. See it down? Nice little crack. I guess when they
went through this, they didn't have a welder. But you can see that tensioner's not even up close to that thing, so I don't know if it's seized up. I'm gonna throw a grease gun on it real quick, see if it even will move. But that weld looks like it's holding in there, so. Oh man. Oh, and this thing here, I looked through it from right here, the damn idler there. I guess that's a tensioner too. That thing it wasn't even on the chain. The bearing came out a little bit, so it had one too many shims in it. So, oh, what are you looking at? That piece there, it came off the bearing. There was too many shims behind it, so it was just pulling itself off until the chain wasn't even on it anymore. Oh, it blew the gun?
No, blew the hose.
Son of a bitch. All right, this side is completely seized. Took the track off. I can actually move it now. This is what I'm working here. That's the tensioner. She's all the way pinned, all the way forward. So, I've got this big old, huge ass crescent wrench. And it wasn't easy to get it. Captain, we're out of grease. Come on, pull that mother out of there. But go the distance. Twist it some. Oh yeah, she's gone.
I can see it right there. But it's got to go in.
So we got that other tensioner out yesterday, and she is solid. So I've been heating her with the torch. Got it to move a little bit.